Today, I'm going to show you how I made $1,810 on my 150K trading combine account. Welcome back to Trader Studio, guys. I'm going to show you right away what I did. If you're brand new here, I'm going to explain our strategy a little bit, but we do have many videos of what mine and my brother's strategy is. If you've seen our previous videos, you know what I'm about to show you. This is how I get my bias for the day. I go to the 30-minute and the 1 hour, and I immediately look at the 250 EMA indicator that I use. Basically, all I'm looking for is that if the 200 EMA, which is this red line, is over the 50, which is this blue line, if the 200 is over the 50, I'm only going to be looking for sells. Okay, that is just giving me my bias. But what I do is I look at that, and then I will go to the 1 minute time frame. This indicator that I use is a sessions indicator. It just gives me my previous highs and my previous lows. I'm looking for breakouts. So as soon as the market opens, I'm looking for a break above here, or I'm looking for a break below here. What's going to be great about this video is I'm going to show you guys what I did, and then I'm going to show you what I wish I did. So moving on over to my Top Step account, 150K combine account. I just have one account right now. Usually I do copy trade 550Ks, but as you can see right here, I did blow some. I did cancel some as well, some accounts. So I just decided, you know what, let me just do one 150K. Let's see what I can do with that. And we're off to a decent start. My first day, wasn't the greatest on it, but really made up for it on the second day. Let me show you what I did, like I said, and then I'm going to show you what I wish I did, which is pretty cool to see after the fact. Of course, we all wish we did something better after the fact, but no excuse. I know what I need to do. I just need to do it. So anyways, what I did was, this is the 8:30 candle, and I'm looking for a break. This red line that you see here, as soon as it breaks this red line, I am getting in. Okay. Now, what I did was I was in this trade for a total of probably 20-30 seconds, and I caught about, I would say, around like 25-30 ticks. That's all I needed with 5 minis. That's all I needed. I did take 4 very quickly, and then I was going to leave 1 runner, but I do have, as far as my settings, I do have some stop loss and profit risk settings enabled, so it just automatically sets my TPs, and I couldn't even move it by the time the price action was going down. It was so fast. So that is what I did. I took this break. I had my stops, or my take profit right around here, and I went break even very quickly. As soon as I was in any profit, boom, I was break even. I did not want to lose. So that is what I did. Now, this is what I wish I did. I wish I got in. Same exact strategy. Nothing changes. I do wish I got in, and I put my stops right above structure here. You can see we've got some resistance up here, so it's a key level right there. And I wish I had my stops just a little bit above there. If I was in this trade live after the fact, I would take my runners around here. So if I had 5 minis, I would probably take 4 contracts off the table and have 1 runner gone for the rest of the day. And my stops would be up here. And then, as you can clearly see, this trade went for another 200 ticks, whereas I only caught about 25 to 30. This trade went almost at stop loss up here, but it went about 200 ticks, and I'm out of the trade, honestly, before it even gets to 200. But that's something I need to work on as well, just letting the runners actually run all day, no matter what. I would have gotten stopped out, which would have been pretty bad if I didn't go break even or anything. But that's it, guys. That is what I wish I did. But I hope you guys learned something from this video. I did want to say one other thing. There was a comment that we received of how I managed to get to an account to negative 15,000. And as you can clearly see, we're pretty transparent. We want to be fully transparent. This account is blown. It's ineligible. It's a 50K account, and you can see what my total PNL is right here. I'm just kind of, when you're demo trading, of course, you make the best trades. And this was that day right here, negative 15K. But you can see overall, I've taken a 50K account that's fake and eligible, whatever you want to call it. I've taken it to 110,000, just kind of playing around, seeing what works. Of course, a live real trading account is much different. But I wanted to clear that up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know what you think about our thumbnails. If you made it this far, Go check out our thumbnails. Let us know what you think. Thank you so much. Have a great day.